Hey, this is Bill with Normal Dude Outdoors. It's Sunday, September 1st, 2024. Just trying to suck less at archery. Today I'm going to be working on fine-tuning my Spot Hogg Wiseguy release, and I'll be using the Pine Ridge Archery Archer's Allen wrench. That way I can, have those Allen wrenches that I have in there put back in the tool chest when I actually need them to do things around the house, and can use this to actually make adjustments on my bow and my release. So my motivation for buying this this Allen wrench was that I did not have an Allen wrench size .050, the smallest one, so I could adjust the trigger right here on the Spot Hogg, and that's because I'm trying to avoid target panic. I'm trying to make this release as hot as possible, so that way I can take the mental aspect out of shooting. So if you go to the Spot Hogg YouTube page, it'll tell you to turn this screw to the right all the way to make it a hot trigger. So that's what I'm going to do now. And we're going to give it a shot. All right, now that I've got my release tuned to the most sensitive setting on the trigger, I'm just going to shoot at 20 yards and see how it goes. So you can see I'm getting the desired effects with the Spot Hogg trigger, and making it a little hotter. For those that pistol shoot, I like to think of it as when you go from shooting a Glock to a 1911, that trigger pull is a lot less. And for me, being perpetually rusty and a somewhat of a novice for bow hunting, that's exactly what I want. And as you can see from the arrow placement, that was all user error, and that's just me needing to get more proficient at this point.
All the shots we see, no one ever seems to show the ones that we miss.